Hi friends! Today video about Doogee V Max rugged smartphone.
A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams.
According to Doogee, more is always better, and the V Max is evidence of this. The biggest battery we've ever seen in a phone, a big screen, a strong processor, lots of memory and storage, an incredible camera array, and 5G. The 6.58-inch IPS LCD screen of the Doogee V Max is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. With its 120Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio, 401 ppi pixel density, and 2408 by 1080 pixels resolution, users see incredibly vivid graphics. The rear of Doogee V Max sports a triple camera model. This setup's primary camera has 108 megapixels and an f/1.8 aperture. The other two lenses offer 20MP f/1.8 and 16MP f/2.2 resolutions, respectively. These lenses' ISO cell sensors aid in providing an in-depth photographic experience. Moreover, this smartphone has a 32MP camera on the front. A MediaTek Dimensity 1080 MT6877V chipset, used in the Doogee V Max, allows it to perform any duty that has been entrusted to it. To further enhance its performance, the manufacturer equipped this device with an octa-core processor and a sizable 12GB RAM. Throughout the years, rugged phones have had some very large battery capacity, but the Doogee V Max actually pushes the limits of a smartphone's battery life. The largest battery capacity smartphones currently on the market is the V Max, with a 22,000 mAh capacity. The cell is supported by a 33W quick charging system and cannot be removed. It can last up to an astonishing 2,300 hours on standby on a single charge. It can support up to 25 hours of gaming, 35 hours of streaming, 80 hours of music, and 109 hours of phone conversations. Also, the Doogee V Max has a reverse charge capability that enables you to use it as a power bank to charge other gadgets. Indeed, a 22,000 mAh battery is very large, thus charging it. The twin stereo speakers in the V Max are tuned by Hi-Res. It has MIL STD 810H certification, IP68 and IP69K certifications. Doogee V Max has 256GB of internal storage as standard. Users will have access to external memory with a capacity of up to 2 TB. This smartphone has 5G, 4G Volt, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth version 5.2, AGPS, Wi-Fi 6, and USB OTG are among its networking and connection features. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend.